today. I got off work at about 5. I went in my car, turned on some Allie and AJ. It totally felt like 2007. Life was good, but some days I get off at different times. Today just happened to be 5, so I decided that I was going to film a healthy night routine for you guys. So I am showing you everything down to what I eat, what I do at the gym, what I do after, kind of just for like a healthy mind, body, and spirit. So once I finally get home, I will just go ahead and literally quickly run in my house because I just usually cannot wait to be home.
I am literally so freaking happy to be home. It has been a long day. But before I show you guys the rest of my healthy night routine, I wanted to tell you guys about today's sponsor. So shout out to Vanity Planet for sponsoring this video. A few weeks ago, I went to the dentist. I posted about it on my Instagram stories, but my dentist actually told me that I needed to up my hygiene game, and he really recommended me getting an electric toothbrush. So I was kind of in the market for one, and it was so lucky that Vanity Planet emailed me because they were like, hey, we'd love to collab with you. And I've collabed with them before with their spin brush. I still use it to this day. As you guys probably saw, I think in last summer's skincare routine, I included it, and I seriously still love it. So I was like, heck yeah, I'd love to work with you. I thought this sponsorship would be the perfect opportunity to try out their Element Sonic toothbrush. It seriously makes my teeth feel so incredibly clean and 100% gets rid of that nasty sweatery feeling that you get after eating and drinking all day, which I literally hate so much. It also has a UV sanitizer attached to the charging station for the toothbrush, which is so freaking cool because you can sanitize all of your brush heads, and that just gives me peace of mind, like leaving it in my bathroom out in the open because I feel like that can be kind of gross. And also the charge on the toothbrush lasts up to 2 weeks, which is another amazing thing because you can take it when you're traveling and not have to worry about it dying. It also just looks super freaking pretty on my counter right next to my skincare fridge. The aesthetic is there, you guys. It really is. So the best part about this is I have a 75% off discount code for you guys. So if you go ahead and use Cicily Smile at checkout, you will get it for literally like, it's around $50–$60. And for all of you guys in college like me, or you're on a budget, it makes it so affordable, especially for a really good quality electric toothbrush. So like always, links will be in the description box, so make sure you go and check it out. And yeah, let's get back into my healthy night routine.
So I don't know about you guys, but the very first thing that I always do when I get home is change into some comfy clothes. So whether that's leggings, sweatpants, or shorts, I'm always changing into something to just lounge in, and that is no fuss and just feels so much better than being in work clothes.
So this is what I just went ahead and threw on. I always just throw on some leggings and a shirt, especially because I'm probably gonna go to the gym later, so I can literally just keep all of this on, and then I usually will just change it into something that's like a workout top because I don't like wearing just like these regular t-shirts because I just feel like it shows so much sweat. Today is actually the last day of my accounting class, so I have to take my accounting final, but I'm so happy that I'm about to be done. Like this class really killed me, y'all. So I am gonna go ahead and sit at my desk and get started on that. I am literally just like so freaking excited that it is my final. But whether or not I have a test, I usually have homework, so the first thing that I do when I get home is really get started on that so that I don't have to go to bed super late, and also so that I can hit the gym and like do other things at night besides staring at my computer right before bed.
So like I said, today I had to do an accounting final, and if you guys didn't know, I'm getting my business degree online through Arizona State University. I'll link down below my video all about my major, my classes, and what online school is really like versus going to a campus school, because I've done both. But today I just had to finish a test. Usually I have homework or something going on.
2 hours later.
Okay, that was literally such a freaking hard test. I hope I got a good grade, but it's all up in the air now. So now I'm going to go ahead and head to the kitchen, and I need to make my energized tea. So I've been taking this, like just drinking it instead of doing like a pre-workout, and I love it. I just got done making my tea, but I'm just gonna go ahead and sit in my room and kind of chill, and my brain just feels fried from that test. So I'm gonna drink this, and then I'm gonna change, take off my makeup, and head to the gym. I don't know about you guys, but I'm someone who definitely needs to go to the gym to have a healthy mindset. And it also just has helped me feel a lot better about my body and just be a lot more confident. And it's amazing to like feel what your body can do and how much you can push yourself. It really, you know, it's amazing.
So the first thing, of course, I always do when I'm getting ready for the gym is take off my makeup, and I am currently using the Pacifica Rose Water Makeup Removing Wipes. These aren't my absolute favorite, but they do get the job done. They smell super good, but I feel like they're a little bit harsh on my sensitive skin. Then I'll just go ahead and throw my hair up and wash my face. I, of course, am using my tried and true Derma E Purifying Gel Cleanser. This has been my absolute favorite since like 2016. It's been all over my channel. It's just literally the best. It's just the best for my skin. I have sensitive combination skin, and I've never found another cleanser that works as good as this one. So once I'm done washing my face, I will just go ahead and I usually just put on like a more supportive sports bra than the one I like lounge in, because one of those usually is just like kind of low-key.
Okay, so this is what I'm gonna wear to the gym. I just have on my Under Armour sports bra. I literally love this sports bra. It's like a really good compression sports bra. And then I'm just wearing these leggings, which are from the brand Prana, which is such a high quality like yoga wear line, and I literally love them. They're super thick, which is nice for when it's colder, and sometimes Gold's Gym is kind of cold. I don't know if you guys go there, but I feel like it's kind of cold in there sometimes. I feel like I look kind of ratchet, but like it's fine. So JT and I are going to Gold's Gym. We both have a membership and I love going there, and today we're going to do, I think it's like kind of like back, and then we're gonna throw in some abs. We need to do cardio, a little bit of biceps. I'm gonna try and film as much as I can at the gym, but I don't really know if I'm allowed to film at Gold's Gym, so we're gonna like slyly film. So it's time to get going because I'm kind of getting hungry and I want to work out and just like eat food and like chill and hang out. So yeah, let's go to Gold's.
So sometimes I go to Gold's Gym and then sometimes I work out at my apartment gym, but I do have a membership. My warm-up definitely consists of about 20 to 30 minutes of cardio. Then today I went ahead and did some pull-ups on each set of the bars. And I didn't film the entire workout, but this is just some of the stuff that I do. So if you guys want to see like a full shoulder and back workout, definitely let me know in the comments below. And if you guys just want to see more workout videos in general, I've really been taking my health and fitness seriously in the last like year and a half, 2 years almost, and I really love the progress that I've been making, and I just love going to the gym. So this is basically the workout that I did. You guys can totally screenshot it if you want. Then after the gym, of course, you gotta make some food, gotta get some nutrition up in your business. So today I decided to make a Chipotle black bean burger, and I love these. These are from H-E-B. You can probably buy them at Walmart too. I would definitely look it up, but I just pop one of those in the oven for about 15 minutes, and then while that's cooking, I just went ahead and put some romaine in my like salad plate bowl thing. It's kind of cool. It's like a bowl plate. Anyways, then I just cut up some orange bell peppers. I got some snap peas, and I just put some oil in a hot pan and decided to saute my vegetables a little bit because I like when the vegetables are also warm. When the black bean burger is warm, like you'll see when I put it all together. But I just sauteed those a little bit and then added a little bit of garlic, salt, and pepper to taste, and didn't let them burn, didn't let them brown, just let them get really nice and warm and a little bit soft. Then I just took some pre-made wild brown rice. I have the Zatarain's kind, and I usually just make a whole box and then put it in a container and eat it throughout the week. Then I just put my black bean burger on top of my romaine and all of my veggies on top. And lastly, for the very finishing touches, I just used my organic honey poppy seed dressing, and that's basically it.
Okay, so now that I'm done with the dinner and I look disgusting and it's actually pretty dark outside now, I am gonna go ahead and hop in the shower. I need to do that. I'm gonna do my skincare. We're gonna have a little meditation session. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower.
So this time of the night is definitely shower night, and I'll just go ahead, hop in the shower, wash my hair, body, face, do all of that in the shower. And then when I get out, of course, gotta put some cute PJs on. So I just head into my closet and, you know, change like super fast, like in the video. Just kidding, not really. And then I'll go ahead, put my hair up in a towel so that it gets a little bit dry, then take it down, and I always moisturize my skin. I'm using the Hemp Sensitive Skin Moisturizer. It's the absolute best if you self-tan because it doesn't have fragrances or dyes. Then I'll just move on to my skincare, and I've been using the Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic, and it's just like a toner for your face, and I just use that all over my skin with a cotton ball or a cotton round. Then for moisturizer, I've been using this Glam Glow Moisture Trip, and I am obsessed with this, you guys. It seriously saved my skin when I had a really bad forehead sunburn. It is so awesome. So now I am just going ahead and brushing my teeth, of course, before I go ahead and get in bed. So once I'm done in the bathroom, I always shut off the lights and then crack the door so my cat can get to her food in her litter box at night. And then I'll go ahead and turn on my salt lamp to get the good energies and the good vibes flowing. And it's just like, I just love it. It's like a nice soft light at night. And then I'll go ahead and use my Ren pillow mist and spray that like basically all over my bed. It smells so good and is so relaxing. And then I'll go ahead and journal for about 10 to 15 minutes because it really puts my mind at ease if I've been anxious. And then lastly, right before bed, the very last thing that I do is go into my app called Insight Timer and find a sleep meditation, and I'll go ahead and play that and put my phone right next to my bed on my little desk thing, and then I'll go ahead and just go to bed, and it puts me out in like 5 or 10 minutes. It's awesome. I used to use melatonin every night, but now I don't have to. So that's it for my night routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to the toothbrush will be down below with the discount code, and thanks for watching.